sources. Miss Raizel Biban is a daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Teresita Briones. She's 18 years old and the incoming first-year college Randy. Miss Anne Monica Adela is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Angeline Talagpa. She's 15 years of age and incoming grade 10 student. Her ambition in life is to become an architect. Once again, the first runner-up is Miss Bristol Jane Manata. Together with her partner is Mr. Disrael Manata Gumastas. Miss Bristol Jane Manata is a daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Emily Manata. She is 14 years of age and the incoming grade 9 student. And her ambition in life is to become a flight attendant someday. Once again, our Miss Logan 20